Mastering the Computer Keyboard, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to Rahim Deed's channel. Today, we have an essential topic to cover, mastering the computer keyboard. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your typing skills, this tutorial is for you. We'll break it down step by step, so let's dive right in. Firstly, it's essential to understand the layout of the keyboard. It may seem daunting, but each key has a specific function. Familiarize yourself with the keys, especially the QWERTY row, named after the first 6 letters. The next step is positioning. Place your fingers on the home row, the middle row starting from A2. Each finger has a designated key, ensuring you can reach all keys with minimal movement. Now, it's time to practice typing. Begin slowly and gradually increase your speed. Consistency is key here. Regular practice will help increase your speed and accuracy over time. Remember, touch typing is the ultimate goal. This means typing without looking at the keyboard. It might seem impossible, but with practice, your fingers will learn their way around. To enhance your touch typing skills, use online tools or software. These resources provide exercises that help improve speed, accuracy, and confidence. Make sure to practice daily. Check link below the video description for free typing practice and speed tests online. Now let's tackle the numerical keypad. If you're right-handed, use your right hand for the numerical keypad. Your index finger should rest on the 5E key, while the rest of your fingers should cover 4, 6, 2, and 8. Remember to use your thumb for the 0 key and your little finger for the Enter key. If you're left-handed, mirror these instructions. Practice until you're comfortable with the layout. The function keys F1, F12 often go unused by many. Yet, they're shortcuts to common computer tasks. Spend some time understanding their functions. They can significantly increase your efficiency. Don't forget the special keys: Shift, Ctrl, Alt, and the Windows key. They serve specific functions and can also be used in combination with other keys for shortcuts. Learn these combinations to save time and effort. To help you remember shortcuts, I've created a cheat sheet you can download from the link in the video description for free. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps towards mastering the computer keyboard. With practice and patience, you'll become a keyboard ninja in no time. In conclusion, mastering the computer keyboard is a journey. With the right approach, regular practice, and patience, you are sure to become a pro. Thank you for watching and happy typing!